All right, today we're going to bring an actual dragon puzzle, and this is a perfect thing. If you guys like the Gundam or any kind of the Robotech models and you want to do a DIY, this is perfect. Now, just to let you guys know, no glue is necessary, only cutting out equipment. That's pretty much make some snips here and there, and you'll get able to get through puzzles. So let's go ahead and start the actual puzzle. The instructions are thorough. If you guys can see, they don't give you instructions on how to cut them together or anything like that. Just make sure you have some sort of tool to cut everything out. Instructions are simple. Review the stuff. It goes 1 all the way to page 22. So that's pretty much what you got to do. So let's go ahead and put it together. Now, I'll let you know it does require one AAA battery, and this is to make the mechanical parts move. All right, just to be aware, there is an on and off. All right, the actual robot took about maybe 30 to 40 minutes to put together. Very relaxing, very awesome little details. I like all the details that they have of the armor, and this is a plus. The actual button in the back to make it move and move his mouth at the same time. Everything's agile. Like if you notice, it moves his legs and he walks. So AAA battery is another plus. Detailed perfect. I like the details on the eyes, the actual buttons, and it didn't take any glue or anything like that. I just ended up cutting some of the details out and sanding some of the corners so I won't see the edges. But they have other systems, so you can attach other devices here later down the line. But that's another series that you can see. But this will make a great gift, or just for any kind of collectors that like to have any kind of robotics or any model kits. This is perfect. So easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.